wow. This one's a KSS 570. This one has a much faster door. This is the Fairfield in Cary. This one's also a Kone as well. This one's installed in 2017. This hotel is younger than the Spring Hill. There's a cab here. This is exactly like the Spring Hill. Hello there. And TJ, this is your favorite part. That's the hallway. And over there. And there's a view outside. First. That's a new hotel, which used to be a Best Western. Look at that. But I'm not sure what brand it will be. Will it be the Triple Marriott?
Triple.
I'm not sure. Triple. That's what he said. Oh dang! Look at that call button. It's falling apart. That's a lantern, exactly. These fixtures are a lot like the Fairfield. The one button is the one button at the Spring Hill was a replacement. That door is fast, much faster than Spring Hill. There it goes. That's it.